What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And today is mall pickup day. So I'm gonna pick up a few sizes, a few sneaker, the Jordan 6 Carmine. I'm gonna pick up one men's size and one grade school because that's the only one that I won on Foot Locker, and I got L's on Foot Action, Champs, and Kids Foot Locker. That's it. I got L's on those, and also got L's on sneakers up today. So also I forgot to join the draw raffle on the finish line, so I didn't win on those. Right now I'm just gonna drop some of the orders here on Goat and also on eBay, and then go to the mall, and then probably hit up some other stores just to check it out what do they have. And with that said, let's go. Oh, it's kind of chilly outside, so we're on our way to Foot Locker. So I'm gonna pick up those grade school. Hopefully not too many line. Picking up those Carmine 6. Let's see. Hopefully we can find something also on the store. Our bag is secured from Foot Locker, so I'm gonna check out the Jimmy Jazz and probably check out the Champs, what do they have in there. But I'm not gonna go on finish line. That's a long line right there. Look at what I found on Jimmy Jazz. I got some grade school of this one, and there we go. This one is 4.5. Let's see if they won't let me buy multiple on Jimmy Jazz. Usually they only let me buy once. Alright, so I just expected only one pair that I put down today, and that's all that they have. But a big deal here, they only have one here, the Royal one mids. It's a huge size, so that one's gonna leave that behind. So I'm gonna check out the one that I got. Next up, I'm gonna go to the other mall. Let's go. So we are here on finish line. That's a long line as well. Let's see. Let's check out on the grade school if they got something. Look at these loaves. Hey, nice one. I like the color on this one. I'm not gonna pick this up. Alright, next up we are on Foot Locker. We're gonna pick up the reservation we got. So hopefully don't snow. Long line. Oh yeah, no long lines now. There we go, we got our pair. Okay, so here we go. Was kind of crazy in the mall today, and crazy line. And what's crazy is I met someone who is one of the sneaker YouTuber out there. Oh, one of those popular. Let's start this one. All right, okay. Pick this one on the Foot Locker. We had the first pickup on the Foot Locker. We have here a grade school of the Jordan 6 Carmine. Man, there we go. Whew. How about the color on this one? With that suede on top. Wow. Icy bottom. Ooh, nice. Glad that I don't have that much line in the Foot Locker. Ooh. But the line on the finish line, crazy. Okay, so since I'm already in the mall, I had to look into the Jimmy Jazz, and we bought this one, and it's the only size that I have. And after the pickup from the Jimmy Jazz, when I was walking out the store, because the Jimmy Jazz and finish line is just close, very close. And I was walking out there, and I was kind of looking into one of the shoes, like, oh, that's a nice shoes, Shutterback board Jordan 1. Oops. When I looked like closely, I was like, whoo, to my surprise, it's Jumper Man Chris, and he, ooh, kind of a little bit starstruck, a little bit, and I was talking to the one of the manager and the Jimmy Jazz. I was like, those are one of the popular YouTuber. I told him, you don't know him? No, he is those sneaker YouTuber. I told him his name is Jumperman Chris, and like, okay, so it's like, all right. So after talking to the manager, I went ahead and do elbow bump with Jumper Christmas. I'm gonna show it to you one of the picture. Just picture. I was kind of forgot to put on make a video. I was like, man, I'm still glad I did take a picture though. All right, so after that, I did a little bit chat. He told me he was picking up 9.5. I think I can't remember 9 or 9.5. So I had to move out and need to go to the Champs, and I didn't find anything in the Champs, so I had to go to the next store. All right, so what did I pick up on the store? First up, I had to go on the finish line first, and I got this Air Jordan 1 Low University Gold, Black, and White. So retail on this one is $90. We got it here at 9.5. Ooh, this one's cool. I like it. Like the colorway and that yellowish thing. Not much going on with that crazy color, but not bad. Not bad on this one. I was kind of wanted to buy multiple, but the manager said one per customer. Yeah. Well, probably it's just because of the release date. They don't want to be noticed or something. That's why. Lastly, there's a lot of crazy today is this Jordan 6 Retro Carmine. So you already saw grade school, and we got you the men's size box, just the regular box of Jordan 6. Not much going on. Oh, this one is new to me. Okay, we got some kind of print cement paper, and okay, look at those. Wow, nice. Icy bottom. Looks clean. I like the velvety things right there. This not bad for this colorway, the Carmine colorway, and ooh, like it. I want to have it into the collection, but for now, I'm just gonna flip it. Not really want to have this one for personal, due to it's kind of little bit high for me. Little bit high. Yeah, I already have a lot of sneaker out here. $200 plus tax, kind of. Maybe if I got them for very good deal. Maybe if I got them from finish line, then I have another $20 off. But so what do you think? Pick up on the small one, crazy with the Jordan 1 University Gold and the grade school right there, and another pair of the grade school of the band colorway, and lastly the Jordan 6 Carmine. So what do you think? Pick up for today went crazy, like really crazy. Well, with that said, if you like this video, can you please leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. That's it.